Welcome back to Susie Anderson Home. Today we're showcasing the organic modern design style. Organic modern interiors seek to blend the clean lines and simplicity of traditional minimalism with authenticity, earthy tones, raw materials, warmth, and elements of age and patina. Inspired by Zen, holistic, and Japandi styles, as well as wabi-sabi principles, it maintains an uncluttered, serene, and tranquil ambience. Before we begin, don't forget to get your free copy of our ebook, The 5 L's of Styling, via the link in the video description box below. Colour palette. The organic modern colour palette features a foundation of warm and earthy neutrals, including chocolate and Merlot brown, creamy whites, camel, taupe, and soft greys. These can be complemented with calming greens, blues, ochre, slate, and charcoal. Add luster with patinated and contemporary warm metals of copper, bronze, and brass. Architectural features. In 1908, Frank Lloyd Wright introduced the term organic to his architectural philosophy, expanding upon Louis Sullivan's famous phrase, "Form follows function. To form and function are one." He saw organic architecture as the epitome of modern design. Taking this into account, organic modern architecture seeks to integrate seamlessly with the natural environment. Embrace interdependence, incorporating natural elements and materials. Optimize natural light and views by strategically placing windows, skylights, and doors. Embrace a minimalist, less is more approach, and respect the inherent strengths and properties of raw materials. For instance, glass permits light to flow into the home. Concrete is fluid and can be moulded. Brick and stone are solid. And wood offers both strength and flexibility. In addition to these materials, you can also introduce warmth and patina with specialty paint finishes, such as those by Portola Paints, as well as plaster, Roman clay, and lime wash wall treatments. Flooring. Organic modern flooring celebrates the natural grain of hardwood floors, whether it's oak, maple, or reclaimed wood. Other ideas include quality cork or bamboo flooring, natural stone tiles such as travertine, slate or limestone. Experiment by layering different materials, contrasting the textural weave of jute and sisal rugs with silk or soft wool pile rugs and large Moroccan area rugs for a pop of colour and pattern. Lighting. Lighting ideas include hammered copper and hand-blown glass pendants, woven rattan, paper or fabric pendants, fabric drum shades, and sculptural fixtures featuring organic shapes, curves, and nature-inspired designs. Low-level lighting ideas include textured or hand-glazed ceramic lamp bases, sleek and sculptural table and floor lamps, small bamboo and paper lamps, and more. Window treatments. As seen in minimalistic interiors, organic modern window treatments embrace a relaxed aesthetic, featuring sheer or lightweight curtains, simple roller shades, or Roman blinds crafted from airy cotton or flax linens. Furniture. Furniture choices draw inspiration from Scandinavian and Japandi styles, featuring pieces crafted from natural materials and showing intriguing shapes and finishes. Some ideas include Etta wishbone chairs, upholstered bedheads, rattan or caneback chairs, slip-covered and upholstered sofas and chairs in neutral tones. A mix of light and dark brown wood furniture, modular and built-in shelving, worn leather armchairs, unique, antique or vintage pieces showing artisan craftsmanship, and contemporary furniture including metallic, marble or stone accents. texture and materials. Plush, earthy, diverse and tactile textiles are all welcome in this style. In neutral spaces, it's important to layer different textures to add depth, dimension and visual interest, preventing the space from feeling cold and flat. Accessories. Organic modern accessories tend to favour items with patina, age and a handmade quality, and unique finds. Ideas for something loved include wabi-sabi style vessels, sculptural ceramic vases, carved wooden or metal sculptures, rattan or marble trays, and one-of-a-kind antique or vintage finds. To elevate the space, introduce a few luxe accents with lustrous beaten metal trays, sleek metallic candle holders, glass vases, hand-glazed ceramics, tinted glassware, and candles or fragrances in beautiful vessels. Living energy. Opt for low-maintenance plants such as succulents, ficus trees, fiddle-leaf figs, snake plants or pothos to add a touch of greenery to your space. For flowers, consider incorporating natural wildflower-inspired arrangements with blooms like proteas, waratah, eucalyptus branches, tall reaching branches, hydrangeas or dried grasses. These organic elements enhance the overall aesthetic, promoting a sense of tranquility and connection to the outdoors. Thank you so much for watching. We trust you feel inspired to introduce some of these organic modern styling tips in your own home. Please like the video and subscribe, and remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.